This video I'm going to show you how you can download Rocket League in your PC. So you need to open any browser. I'm using Chrome, and here you need to search for Epic Games. And here download the Epic launcher. And here you can see on the top right corner download option. Click on download and the downloadation will start. After it's done, you can see this here. Click on that. And you will see the Epic launcher will pop up here. Press on install and wait for it to get installed. Allow everything. So after the installation is done, this will power. So you need to first log in. After login is complete, so the store will open. Here you need to search for in the search store Rocket Leagues. If you only search Rocket, it will pop up for sure. There you go. Rocket League is here. After that, you need to go in library, add it to library. And there you go, Rocket League is here, and then find everywhere you want to install it and install the game. And this was all about the video. If you liked it, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.